Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I glammed this Dollar Tree wall art for my studio. So I'm going to show you using bling wrap and some glitter. Just about everything I have here you can get from the Dollar Tree. The glam wrap I did get from Amazon and is also at Hobby Lobby. So let me show you all this stuff that I will be doing this project with. The products I'll be using, one is the low odor spray glue. That is one option, along with this black glitter. Now this black glitter sometimes you can find at the Dollar Tree as well. I got that from Hobby Lobby, Sharpie marker, and this beautiful bling wrap I got from Amazon. Now this one also I've seen on other channels like LG Queen that uses this, and it's beautiful. You can also get this at Hobby Lobby, or I'll leave the link below. Now this one does not have adhesive background, but I think the ones in Hobby Lobby that I've seen used may have an adhesive background to it. So this is a new product for me to use. So guys, I think we'll do a lot of DIYs with this. All right guys, let's get started. This is a cute frame, but I'm using this black glitter to use as the background for this frame because I wanted to really sparkle. And also the bling wrap, I'm going to use it around the whole diameter of the inside of your picture frame. So I got a frame that looked like sort of like a shadow box. The first thing I do is this comes in one part. So I had to take an X-Acto blade or any blade just to separate the frame from the backing. The next thing you want to do is to remove the backing, and we are going to cover all 4 edges. Now I did make a mistake here, so I just want to let you know real quickly, when you tape down each corner, because that is where the crystal is and you do not want the black glitter to go there, make sure you cover the inside where there's a darker gray area. That is your fold. Make sure that is covered as well, because with me I got a little bit of glitter inside of the folds, and you do not want that because the folds have to lift up. Now I'm going to use the second option, which is Mod Podge. So I'm going to use Mod Podge. You can use spray adhesive, Mod Podge, or clear glue for this process. So I'm just going to put down the Mod Podge. Get a brush that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, most of these products you can get from the Dollar Tree, and just spread it along the backing of the frame. Make sure that it is evenly brushed across and make sure it's adhered properly. After that, I sprayed the black glitter on top and make sure it's evenly coated. And this is probably going to be your first coating. Once it's dry, just lift it up and remove all the excess glitter. As you can see that it needs another coating to it, so once this dry, just reapply a Mod Podge again on top and just do another coating again. Reapply a second coating to the first. Again, once it's dry, then you're going to lift the edges off and clean up any excess glitter that you have on the sides. Because I made a mistake and did not cover the folds with the tape, I have to clear off this excess Mod Podge and glitter. So if this happens to you, all you gotta do is just take a dry brush and just clean up the folds. And also just check to make sure it folds up again. Now is the bling wrap. So I'm eyeballing my bling wrap. You guys, you can always measure this if you wish. You could use the X-Acto blade, but I found it easier just using the scissors because this bling wrap is not, you know, even the way it is designed. So it was easier for me just to use the scissors along the way. I just folded it up, just eyeballing where to cut it going down the middle. All right, once everything is cut down, make sure it is cut properly. If not, you can go back and trim it a little bit, but make sure that it folds up, and that's the most important part of it. Now with this gem, since it's like a sort of like almost like a crushed glass, guys, that we used before, and it's not even, so it's hard to use an X-Acto blade on this, so it's easier probably just to use scissors, and you might have to keep trimming it. It wasn't as easy as I thought. This is the first time I'm using this. I really like it, but you know, just be careful with this product. You don't get a whole lot of it, and just make sure you can trim it the best and it fits evenly across here, because remember, it has to fit inside. Okay, now all we have to do is glue the bling wrap to the inner corners. So once the sides are down, you can, this is kind of flexible using this strip here. So just make sure it's not too close. So you want to make sure this folds up. Okay, so make sure it does not go into the creases here. And it's very flexible, so it's easy to work with once you cut it. Just make sure each one folds up. If not, you can easily take it off and start again. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and now it's time for the topping and the lettering. Now, since this is black on black and this is really shiny, but it is dark and the letters are see-through, I have decided just to paint it. So I'm just gonna take just a basic white craft paint. You can get it from Michael's or Hobby Lobby's, whatever you prefer, just to paint the inside lettering. Now, this doesn't have to be precise because the black part is going to conceal it, so you're not going to see it once I flip it over. As you can see now, you can see the wording, keep it simple. Okay, guys, so only thing that's left to do is put it back together to assemble it. Make sure everything is tucked in. It's a little tricky to put it back in here, but just be really careful. And also, once you put your black glitter on, once it's dry, you can also seal it again with Mod Podge. I didn't seal mine, but make sure you don't want any black glitter on top of the inside of the glass, so probably better to just seal it just to make sure you don't have any leftover residue from the black glitter. All right, guys, so basically that's all it is. Just tuck it in nice and tight, all corners, and you have your project. Okay, guys, that is it. This is a nice DIY Dollar Tree simple project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this and other ones, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also share this. Like, just about everything came from the Dollar Tree except for the glitter wrap. So I will see you guys in the next DIY. Thanks a lot. It's your Mooregirl.